In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file through Yahoo email. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to the Yahoo Mail login page. Sign in using your email address and password, and if you're prompted for a verification code, follow the instructions to confirm it's really you. A quick tip before you start, make sure your PDF is saved in an easy-to-find folder on your computer and, if possible, give it a clear, professional name so the recipient knows what it is at a glance. Once you're signed in, click the Compose button to start a new email. This opens a fresh message window where you'll add your recipient, subject, and attachment. It helps to keep the window open and stable, so avoid navigating away while you work. To attach your PDF, click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. Choose Attach Files from Computer or Browse, then navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. Click the PDF to select it, and confirm by choosing Open or Choose. If the file is currently open in another program, close it first to ensure a smooth upload. You'll see an upload indicator. Larger files can take a moment. When the upload finishes, the PDF's name should appear below the subject line or at the bottom of the Compose window. That visual cue confirms the file is truly attached. If you selected the wrong document, use the small X next to the attachment to remove it, then attach the correct one. Next, in the To field, carefully enter the recipient's email address and check for typos. Add a clear subject line, such as Attach PDF Document, and write a short, friendly message in the body explaining what the PDF contains and why you're sending it. Keep personal details out of the subject line for privacy. It's also a good moment to proofread your message for clarity. Before sending, double-check that the right PDF is attached and the upload has fully completed. If you see a spinning indicator, wait until it finishes. Sending too early can result in a missing attachment. If the file size looks unusual, confirm you selected the correct document. Renaming the file with a descriptive title can reduce confusion for the recipient. When everything looks good, click Send. Yahoo Mail will confirm that your message has been sent, and you can view a copy in the Sent folder to verify the attachment is there. If you're on a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. Thanks for watching.